Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice suite on Rocky Linux. First verify do we have any Office suite comes with Rocky Linux installation as built-in application. Click on show application. See here we don't have any Office suite. Okay, so open browser, then go to LibreOffice official website, that is LibreOffice.org. Now download the LibreOffice. Click on download, then select the download LibreOffice. Click on it. Now see here the latest version is LibreOffice 24.8.3. Click on this drop down. See here we have the Debian, RPM and other packages. So select the RPM package and click on download. Wait a moment, it is going to download. See, download has been started and its size is 230 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. Now extract this zip file, tar xvzf. Then give the first 3 letters of this zip file and give the tab and hit enter. ls. See here we have successfully extracted this RPM zip file. Now go to downloaded directory, ls. See here we have the install readmes and RPMs. Go to RPMs, ls. See here we have list of RPMs. We have to, so to install LibreOffice we have to install this. Sudo dnf install star.new RPM. This will install all these RPMs. So hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type A and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now go to show applications. Click on show applications. See here we have LibreOffice base. Base means it is like Microsoft Office Access, and Libre calls it is like Microsoft Excel. Click on it. Show applications. See here we have the LibreOffice Writer. It is like Microsoft Word. Okay. Now we have opened calc. See, we got the same console like Microsoft Excel. Okay. So we have successfully installed LibreOffice suite. Go up. ls. Go up. ls. After installation, we have to remove these two, rm, LibreOffice, ls. Still we have this directory. Remove this directory also, rm-rf. Then give LibreOffice, hit enter. ls. See, we have successfully removed. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install LibreOffice 24 version on Rocky Linux. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.